In this video, we will understand the concept of derivatives. Derivative means rate of change. But before understanding of derivatives in depth, we need to recall the concept of slope or gradient. As we are already familiar with this word, with these terms like slope and gradient of a line, it's basically describing the rate of change. Let me draw a graph here for better understanding and graph of a straight line, right? I'll take a straight line here. For example, it's a straight line. Let me change the color here. Okay. So, as you know, it's describing something. Describing what? A rate of change. Rate of change of what? Of change of a vertical variable. Here is a vertical variable y and horizontal variable x. So you can say that change in vertical variable with respect to horizontal variable. And for example, here we have y-axis in the vertical direction and x-axis in the horizontal direction. Okay, now take 2 points to calculate its slope. I can choose any 2 points. For example, I have taken these 2 points. Now I will find the distance of this point till this point. So its distance I'm calculating, it's a change in x. You can say it's a horizontal change, right? बिल्कुल x axis के साथ साथ move कर रहा है. So it means it is a horizontal change. So you can say it is a change in x, right? That is showing, that small triangle is showing or representing change. That is a Greek letter, right? Okay, now this change, yahan se yahan tak ka change. This change is a vertical change, or you can say it's a change in y. All right, so we can say that slope is change in y over change in x, right? Just like rise over run, because it is showing us, it means that rate of change of vertical variable over the rate of change of a horizontal variable, right? So what if we calculate the slope of curved line if the graph is in a curved form? For example, graph is in a curved form like this. Can we calculate its slope? Can we calculate its slope? As you know, this graph is showing a constant change in slope. Means अगर मैं it's in 2 points, but if I want to change the point, for example, I want to change the point, मैं ये 2 points चुनना चाहती हूँ, तो भी इसको calculate करने के बाद I will get the same change. Means steep will be same. जो इसका एक steepness है line की वो same रहेगी. But in that case, it's not. So you can say there is a continuous change. If I want to choose and find a slope, तो मैंने ये 2 पॉइंट्स लिए और मैंने स्लोप इसकी ड्रॉ की. ये लाइन, ये सेकेंड लाइन है. सेकेंड लाइन कौन सी होती है? जिसमें जो कर्व को दोनों पॉइंट से काट कर जाती है. इफ आई वांट टू चूज दीज 2 पॉइंट्स, मैं कहती हूँ जी मैं ये 2 पॉइंट्स ले लेती हूँ. तो यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व कि ये जो सेकेंड लाइन है और ये जो लाइन है, इसकी स्लोप और इसकी स्लोप एक जैसी नहीं है. दे बोथ आर डिफरेंट. इट्स शोइंग अ हायर स्लोप एंड इट्स शोइंग अ लोअर स्लोप, राइट? उसकी डायरेक्शन सेम नहीं है, वो स्टीपनेस उसकी एग्जैक्ट नहीं है. So basically इस तरह के graphs के लिए we always draw one tangent. कैसे वो draw होता है? वो tangent basically पूरे ग्राफ पर एक पॉइंट पर लिया जाता है. ये एक ऐसा ग्राफ होता है, एक ऐसी स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है जो कर्व लाइन को सिर्फ एक पॉइंट पर टच कर रही होती है. तो बेसिकली यू कैन से दैट वी कैन कैलकुलेट द स्लोप ऑफ दैट टेंजेंट. इसकी जब हम स्लोप निकालेंगे तो वी कैन इवन राइट इट इन दैट फॉर्म. dy means change in y upon over change in x. And it is basically connected with this concept. So this is how we can easily calculate derivatives.